Hello, good people.
Hello.
Thanks for joining us again. Today we're going to do a Mediterranean food review. So we have the food from the Nazareth Bread Company and Restaurant. Okay? And there's no address, but it's a great business. We go there all the time when we want to try Mediterranean food. And they have the hours of operation in the website. Yeah.
So anytime you're on West Market Street in Greensboro, that's where they're located.
Excuse me, the address on the back. 4507 West Market Street, Greensboro, North Carolina, 27407. Okay.
I give them 2 thumbs up on the great food there.
Very good food. So, this is how we're going to introduce it. Okay. I have Adana, and if I'm not saying it right, I'm sure someone out there will correct us, but I'm going to do the best I can, okay? But it's very good food. I have Adana kebabs. So I had it written down, everything that we have. Okay? And that is the beef kebab, the 6-piece beef kebab, Adana kebab. And I have tabuki salad, rice, and hummus. And we have the pita bread to go with it. Pita bread. And we have chicken gyro. Chicken gyro. Yeah. He has one, I have one. And this is a whole one that cut in half, and it's still big.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Mm-hmm. And we have the what is it? Falafel. It's fried chickpeas with the dressing. And we have for dessert bokava. Okay. And Ray gonna introduce what he has.
Yeah.
Why don't you show it? Well, why he show it?
I have lamb chops with rice,
hummus,
and a Greek salad.
Lamb chops.
Ain't that delicious?
Mm-hmm. And I think it's what, 6 of them?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Pretty a lot.
5.
5?
Yeah, 5 lamb chops.
Yep. So we're gonna serve ourselves, okay? And y'all are welcome to join in and watch. Introduce your, and he has pita bread
Pita
too.
bread. Well, yeah, I already showed it to him.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah, we talked about the pita bread.
Okay.
I also have pita bread to go with it.
Okay. Got these grill on. Okay. Okay. And this is the beef kebab. Mm-hmm. Fried rice. I'm just doing a little of each. Just reviewing a little. We're not going to eat the whole thing. But we will finish it. And some of this, what is it? Sour cream. It's a dressing. It's the dressing that goes with it. And it's got cucumbers in it.
What it goes on there?
Yeah, well, you really eat it with your pita bread, but yeah, that's what you eat it with. This is the salad. Just a little of that. And the hummus. Just a little. Okay. And that's it for me. And you have a spoon over there, and you can... Basically, they both have the same thing, except different. I have the beef kebab, and he has the lamb chops. And you have the Greek salad, but yeah.
Yeah, Greek salad.
And if you want some of my salad, I'll hand it to you.
Okay.
And the pita bread. Yeah, we turn this off. It's hot enough.
Yep.
I don't think salad's supposed to be hot.
Get hot quick.
Yes.
Get stuff warm the plates up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the rice.
Mm-hmm. Try some of the chickpeas. Mm-hmm. Fried chickpeas. some of the dressing. Hold this for you. Okay, I believe. Oh yeah, I have to get a lamp. Oh, and you got to get a beef kebab. Oh yeah, we don't want that beef kebab. I'm gonna put this over there for you, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I forgot, Daddy. I know you want a beef kebab too.
Yep.
Okay. And I think you want some of this salad too on mine, right?
Yep.
Do you want me to put it on there for you?
Yeah, you can put it on.
Okay.
Just put it right there from the side there.
All right. And put some of the Greek salad next to mine. And this is the tteokbokki salad, right?
Yeah.
Come back, 2-leaf salad. Yeah. And your kebab. Okay. Excuse me. And just put a lamb chop for me. Okay. And this goes that. Yeah, a little salad. And that goes on the pita bread. I mean the chickpeas, fried chickpeas. Just a little dressing. Okay, good. Go ahead. Okay.
Get some of that cheese and stuff with it.
Okay, that's feta cheese.
Feta cheese.
And let me put some of this dressing on your fried fried chickpea. And there you go. And that's enough of that. Okay. Maybe we can get tired down. Okay, can you
Yeah,
sit
like
on your
this.
side?
Mhm.
Okay. Use that. Okay. Okay. Okay, we don't want to hold them long, but let's get to eating. Let's say our prayers. You got your bread? Okay.
Yep.
And we have water that's going in our cups today. Okay? Okay, let's do this.
Yep.
Put it up here
Okay,
next to
let's
mine.
do this.
Yeah. Okay. We needed that for when we did the Bazaar egg one challenge. This here is not going to be a challenge. This is good.
Yeah, just a review.
And it smells good, so I know it's good.
Food review.
And say your prayers and have to get straight.
Now, bless this food. And serve it in the bottom of your name. Bless the people that prepared it. Bless the one that's eating it. Bless the one that's going to be watching out. Eat this food forever. Amen.
Amen. I agree with that. Thank y'all for joining. Okay.
Now let's eat.
Now time to eat. Do we need to bring this up a little more? Or it's fine.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Let's slide up a little bit.
What, the grill?
I'll just slide up.
The rice tastes good. Got aromatics.
Different. Rice is good.
Yeah. And this is the salad, right? Got like a vinegar taste. The salad I'm eating. With the 2-leaf. Okay. You're doing the beef kebab.
Yeah.
Join in with you. Oh yeah. And you put it on the bread. Put a little of the dressing. This is like a Greek yogurt type dressing.
Yeah. That's like good without the. We taste good without the dressing.
Nice and beefy.
Yeah.
And tender.
Yeah. Got onions, parsley, and
Tastes like green peppers, maybe.
all other stuff mixed in with it. Mixed into the meat.
And the Greek yogurt. It's good on it too. You get your money worth, don't you? And it's very affordable.
Yep.
I'm looking at trying that lamb chop. After a
Oh,
while.
yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the Greek salad. Definitely recognize that with the cucumbers and the lettuce and tomatoes.
Yep.
It's getting so good so far.
Yep.
What's some of the hummus?
Hummus tastes so good.
Try the lamb chop. This is the lamb chop. Nice and tender. Look, I'm like medium well.
Yep.
Medium well done. It got like a smoky flavor. And when you bite into it, the meat don't pull away from you. So you can tell it's nice and tender. And it is grilled looking.
Yep.
Show the grill marks.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Nice and juicy.
Oh, yeah. See, it's got grill marks on it too.
Yep. And I love cook on the grill.
Let's try to fit the chickpeas. Fried chickpeas with the dressing. Okay.
A fried chickpea pie.
Very vegetable. Very vegetable. Vegetable is. Tastes good too. Tastes like a big old vegetable.
Yep. That's what it tastes like. Big old pea.
Yup. Dressing kind of tangy too on it.
Yeah.
This rice got a lot of aromatics.
Now the yellows to the white.
The beef comes out by itself. I'm gonna have another one. Thank you. I'm trying to think of the name of that seasoning that we have in the kitchen that might make this yellow.
Spanish is not Spanish season.
I don't remember. It's that yellow seasoning in there. I don't remember. Not the Spanish seasoning, audible.
Oh.
And the sazon. That one that they say good for arthritis and bones. And
Oh, they are.
Okay.
Turmeric.
No, not the turmeric. Yeah, maybe that is the turmeric. Okay, turmeric. Okay. Yeah. If we wrong, let us know. But we think that's what it is.
Yeah, the yellow come in the yellow.
It looks yellow.
Yeah, come in. Yeah, it's yellow. It's all there. Ground it up and stuff. All right, we got a tomato.
And that salad is real vinegary and nice, isn't it? And tangy.
Yep.
Lamb chop. And it's very affordable, isn't it?
Yeah.
For lamb, it's expensive on its own.
Oh, see, yeah. What's this talking about song?
I think this was what? The lamb chop one dinner? I think it was $13.99, wasn't it?
Yeah,
And the beef kebab?
it's $8.99.
Very affordable.
Yeah.
And you get enough for 2 days in here. And cups we got at Walmart. Oh, they about 99 cents a piece, man.
Yeah, 99
I know the chickpeas was $2.99 for 6. I don't know how much the bokovo was. And what was the chicken gyro? It was about what, $6.99? Yeah. I don't remember the price of the bokovo, do you?
I think it was $4.99.
For the bokovo?
Oh, for this one? Oh,
Yeah, I mean bokovo.
Oh.
Chickpea.
yeah, I think somewhere around
You
there.
might be right, because it's got a lot of stuff in it.
Yeah.
Like pecans and caramel, I don't know. Is it caramel? Look like it.
Yeah, some kind of look like caramel. Also, all kind of stuff up in it. We just can't tell till you bite up into it.
And they look like walnuts for sure, right?
Yeah. That's different.
And I think got honey on it. For sure,
Yeah.
I recognize the honey.
That's why it's shining so much. Honey glaze across the top.
So far, we've been blessed to find nice restaurants here, right? To do reviews on.
Yeah.
So grilled, so tender the bone came off. Definitely grilled, look.
Good, grill. Like looking up the bone.
But I say this was at the top of our list, right?
Yeah. Grill to a T. That's how you get them to cook so tender.
And I know. And this tastes, look at the beef on the inside. Yeah. Put me in the mind like a, you know, a beef patty, like a, yeah, like a hamburger beef patty. Except a lot more flavor.
Yep. Yeah, definitely filling.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. We got to get to our gyro. Might
Yeah.
not finish that. Just have to taste it.
Take a bite of it.
And we want to see the dessert too.
Bite of the gyro and bite of the dessert. Call it a day.
Oh, that's good. Food falling out my mouth. Scraping other plates.
Yeah. That gives all.
I think I'm ready to try out the gyro. Put this one back in my tray. Mix up all that rice. You got a lot of rice.
Looks good though. Different from the Chinese rice, you know. And the other rice.
Everybody's different. The Indian rice was different too.
Yeah.
It's the different aromatics, ain't it?
Yeah.
It's something that how you can all take one dish like rice and put different seasons in and it tastes different.
See, man, taste different.
Even from the American rice.
Yep, you want the color make it different color. Yellow rice. White rice. What did I see something? I think I see some black rice somewhere.
Where?
I don't know. I don't remember, but I thought I seen something somewhere.
You still probably have memory of the black duck. The duck egg.
Oh, thank you, duck egg. I confess. He confess. I eat this egg. I confess.
Got a trash bag again. I want to move this plate out the way. Well, I guess I'll just move that one and move our gyro on up, huh?
Yeah.
Are you done with your beef? I can wait. You sure?
Yeah, for right now, yes. I
Okay.
can't eat them. I want to say it like that.
Yeah. Well, let's get started on this then.
Just right here, sir.
Right here, right here. Chicken gyro.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, yeah.
All in that.
Sauce and stuff already. Yep.
This is the chicken gyro. Just take a couple of bites of this and
Fall
it a
out.
day.
Best fall out.
Got tomatoes in it and lettuce, chicken, and the sauce, a white sauce.
Yep. White sauce in it.
Look how much it is.
There's cucumber sauce.
Yeah. Need the paper to hold it up. The sauce is refreshing. Like a cucumber sauce. Cools you off.
No.
And cucumber does that anyway. Look like you about to explode.
On your full
Mm-hmm.
and sleep all at the same time.
Mm-hmm. This is a lot of food, isn't it? Oh.
Yeah. All you eat and get sleepy.
Yeah,
There
yours.
goes find a
Okay.
place to take a nap.
Yes. I'll take one more bite and that gonna do it for me.
Mm-hmm.
Get the paper off of it this time. It's full. I tell you, look at it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. So good, I'm gonna put it down. Mm-hmm.
That's me too. One of the sandwiches and stuff.
But you got to know your limits.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Yeah. Sit there and eat till you pass out.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All those things in the table and the head go, ah.
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong with him?
That's right.
I'm passed out from food.
That's why we call it taste review.
Yeah. Back in the younger days, I shoot. You had a house and home.
Mm-hmm. Well, people, I'm ready to try that dessert. That's why we
Yep.
call it review on this channel. Just a taste review.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. And part of
Mm-hmm.
the day.
Yeah. Not a mukbang, but a taste review.
Yeah.
And this is dessert. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's cool off now.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, do we have a knife in here to cut this? Mm-mm.
Well, I thought we had.
Got to put it up. But we can just take a piece off
Yeah,
each.
break it. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little piece.
Yeah. This is the bokoba. Look at that.
Boko back.
Bokoba. And you want to just
Boko.
break.
But some people call it balaba.
Right. Oh, look at the honey. Oh, I can't even break this. I can bite my half when you bite your half.
Yeah.
Or do you want to break it?
No,
All right, just break it up some off.
I don't think you can break that.
Mm-mm. Mm.
With over the sweet.
Yeah.
Over the sweet.
Yeah. Good though. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Sweet in every bite. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Very sticky. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Got tons of honey on it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, one more bite for you good people, and that's it. Mm-hmm. Full of honey and pecans, walnuts.
It's like a lot of sweet.
Mm-hmm. That's for you.
That's the thing to get.
Mm-hmm.
We ought to have them sugar fits. Want all that sugar. That's it right there.
Mm-hmm.
Whew.
You done? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's take this little piece right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
I'm done.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Need a lot of napkins for that. Mm-hmm.
So it's bouncing off the done sitting, right?
Mhm.
Come on, sugar.
Well, as always,
Yep.
we thank you for joining, and we'll see you at the next video.
Don't forget to
Like, comment, subscribe,
like, comment, subscribe, and
share this video with anyone
view.
and everyone,
Yep.
and leave a comment if you like.
Yep. Yeah. And another one bite the dust.
That's right. Got another one out, y'all.
Another video, another one bite the dust.
All right.
We're gonna
Bye.
call this a wrap.
Bye,
All right, bye bye.
good people. Bye.